Alchemical Wizard 23, the endocrine system connection. Activating the pineal gland is essential for expanding consciousness and restoring our avatar's health and vibrational frequency. The pineal gland, the hypothalamus, and the pituitary gland have important roles in our awakening in this current ascension process. Our endocrine system is an important linked activator between our biological functions and our spiritual experiences. The endocrine system includes glands such as the pituitary, pineal, hypothalamus, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenals, pancreas, ovaries and testes. These glands use electrical impulses from our nervous system to affect changes in our biological body that affect emotions, energy levels, and our cognition. These glands also use chemical messengers. Hormones are chemical messengers that circulate through our bloodstream and coordinate important body functions. They increase or decrease the nerve impulse levels. The hypothalamus plays a central role in linking the nervous system to the endocrine system, and in activating the pineal gland. It is also connected to the limbic system, which is the center of our emotions and feelings. The hypothalamus with the pituitary gland affect most of the major systems and organ functions in the body, besides our emotions. They regulate all of our basic survival needs and processes like hunger, thirst, fatigue, sleep, growth, pain relief, blood pressure and body temperature. The hypothalamus produces neurohormones that communicate with the pituitary gland, signaling the release or inhibition of key pituitary hormones, which harmonize and activate the pineal gland function. By signaling and directing the pituitary, the hypothalamus plays a critical role in the endocrine system. The anterior lobe of the pituitary gland secretes hormones that influence lactation, the release of testosterone, the production of human growth hormones, thyroid, and sex hormones. The posterior lobe of the pituitary does not produce hormones, but stores and releases two important hormones produced by the brain: oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin stimulates maternal instincts and sexual pleasure. Vasopressin influences circadian rhythms, the reabsorption of water into the bloodstream, and the paternal protective instincts. The pituitary gland's health is important for pineal gland activation. When the pituitary gland and the pineal gland start to vibrate synchronistically, we are inspired to remember, renew, and regenerate our avatar, biological body/light body, or our overall biofield physiology. The pineal gland is situated in the center of the brain, behind and above the pituitary gland. The pineal gland is the gland with the highest concentration of energy in the body. That's because it is bathed in highly charged cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, and has more blood flow per cubic volume than any other organ. The pineal gland is also the primary source of our biological body's melatonin. Darkness and the amount of light activates how much production of melatonin by our pineal gland. Melatonin is essential for its effects on our immune system, our circadian rhythms, and the sanctity of our sleep, as well as our mood. Melatonin has an anti-aging effect on our biological body and is also an anti-stress agent along with being an antioxidant. After being released, melatonin travels through the cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, and enters nearby blood vessels in order to be distributed to the rest of the body. When our melatonin production level is low, we experience bad moods, depression, and seasonal disorders. An activated and healthy pineal gland produces other neurochemicals as well, including N,N-dimethyltryptamine, DMT, and pinoline. These neurochemicals coordinate biological and emotional processes on a cellular level. The N,N-dimethyltryptamine, DMT, and the pinoline connect our higher mind to our biological body. The neurotransmitter serotonin is a precursor of these two neurochemicals, which is made in our gut microbiome. There is a high concentration of serotonin found in our pineal gland, which plays a key role in expanding our consciousness. Starting from the beginning and considering what we eat and what our friendly microorganisms would like to have for optimal health is one of the keys to our awakening. Our gut microbiome's health is so important. We have discussed it at length many times. The pineal gland is also sensitive to the electromagnetic fluctuations that are occurring with the current photonic energetic waves coming in. These air showers or ionized particles will also help in decalcifying our pineal gland. And with shoes off, out in nature and letting our biofield physiology synchronize with Gaia's own biofield, morphogenetic field, we can feel the circadian rhythm connect us to the cosmic rhythm and allowing for DNA upgrades. Travis Carper. August 4, 2019 blog on 3decrees.org